Are you tired of the constant roller coaster of market volatility, feeling lost in a sea of information, and struggling with high costs that chip away at your returns? As a beginner, the uncertainty, lack of knowledge, and emotional stress can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's an innovative investment strategy that could shield you from all this, using something as simple and familiar as your daily eating habits? Yes, you heard it right, eating habits.
Welcome to Wealthwhise. Did you know that 75% of people who struggle with poor eating habits also have similar issues with their investing habits? Surprising, right? Eating and investing. Let's dive in and see how these two seemingly unrelated aspects of our lives are more connected than we think.
Personalized diet equals personalized investment plan. A diet plan is always tailored to your body. Similarly, financial goals and objectives are unique and personal to everyone. An investment strategy must be suited to your individual objectives and risk appetite. What you're aiming for, whether it's buying your first home, retiring early, or building a legacy for future generations. It reflects your individual dreams, circumstances, and priorities. This personalized approach ensures that you're making decisions that are best for you.
Discipline in diet equals discipline in investing. Think about those times when you resisted the urge to indulge in unhealthy snacks. That same discipline can be applied to your investments. Avoid the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on market noise. Stick to your plan, and you'll be rewarded in the long run.
Consistency in diet equals consistency in investing. It is the key in both dieting and investing. Consider the concept of dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging out the cost over time. This consistent approach reduces the impact of market volatility and helps you build wealth steadily.
Balanced diet equals balanced portfolio. Imagine eating only junk food. Sure, it might be satisfying in the short term, but over time, it can lead to serious health issues. Similarly, investing all your money in a single stock or asset class might seem profitable initially, but it exposes you to significant risk. Diversification is the key to long-term financial health.
Overindulgence in diet equals overindulgence in investing. Imagine going to a buffet and eating everything in sight. It might feel good at the moment, but you'll likely regret it later. Similarly, chasing high-risk investments for quick gains can lead to significant losses. It's important to strike a balance and practice moderation. By avoiding the temptation to overindulge, whether in food or in high-risk investments, you protect yourself from potential harm and set yourself up for long-term success.
Empty calories equals high investment fees. Think about those sugary snacks that provide a quick energy boost but no real sustenance. Similarly, high-fee investments might seem attractive initially, but can significantly reduce your overall returns. Look for low-cost, high-quality investment options to maximize your gains.
Patience in diet equals patience in investing. Consider the time it takes to cook a healthy meal from scratch compared to grabbing fast food. The same principle applies to investing. Quick fixes and get-rich-quick schemes rarely lead to lasting success. Instead, focus on steady, consistent growth over time.
Health checkups equals portfolio reviews. Schedule regular reviews of your diet and investments. Monitor your progress, make necessary adjustments, and seek professional advice when needed. This proactive approach helps you stay aligned with your goals and address any issues before they become significant problems.
Healthy choices equals wealthy future. Just as a healthy diet contributes to a fulfilling life, a well-planned investment strategy sets the foundation for financial freedom. Remember, the choices you make every day, in both your diet and your investments, shape your future.
Sorry for the interruption. If you found the content valuable, please subscribe to Wealthwise. This will enable us to produce more value-adding content. Let's continue diving into the fascinating parallels between your diet and your investment strategy. Healthy environment equals supportive financial setting. Think about the influence of your surroundings. Stock your kitchen with nutritious foods, and you're more likely to eat healthily. Similarly, surround yourself with financial mentors, join investment groups, and stay connected to financial news to create an environment that supports your financial goals.
Education in diet equals education in investing. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about what you're putting into your body and your portfolio, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that benefit your health and wealth. Take the time to educate yourself, seek out reliable sources, and stay informed.
Positive mindset equals growth mindset. Mindfulness in your eating habits, like savoring each bite and being aware of what you're consuming, can lead to better health. Similarly, Being mindful of your financial decisions, staying calm during market fluctuations, and focusing on long-term growth contribute to financial success. Cultivate a mindset that supports your goals and helps you navigate challenges. Learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, whether it's a dietary slip-up or a poor investment choice. The key is to learn from these experiences. Reflect on what went wrong, understand the factors that led to the mistake, and use this knowledge to improve your future decisions. Embrace mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning.
Celebrate small wins. Recognize and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Whether it's losing a few pounds or hitting a savings goal, these achievements are milestones on your journey. Celebrating them boosts your motivation, reinforces your commitment, and makes the journey more enjoyable.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the fascinating parallels between your eating and investing habits. By adopting these principles, you can enhance both your physical health and financial well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and stay wealthy.